Hey everyone, today we're going to make Power Apps with Maker Copilot. Let's dive right into it. First, check that you have Copilot activated on your environment. I've made a video about how to enable it, which I will leave a link to in the description for this video. When Copilot is activated, go to make.powerapps.com and make sure you're at the homepage. Here you will see a prompt field where you can explain what kind of Power App you want to build. In this example, I will create a car booking app. When you're finished with your prompt, just click on the arrow and the magic happens. Copilot will suggest a table structure for you, but you are free to make changes on it if you want to. You can use the suggestions on the left-hand side, or you can write your own changes to Copilot on the right-hand side. When you are happy with how it looks, just click the Create App button. Now we just have to sit back and relax while Copilot creates the app for us. After a while, the app is ready for you. Now we are free to make changes on the app, but it's already got functions that's working. As we can see, the table was created in Dataverse. We can search a car. We can add a new car. We can edit the car. We can delete a car. Okay, so we've now successfully created a functional app. Remember, while Maker Copilot has given us a solid start, there's always room for refinement to tailor it to perfection. Think of this as your foundation. Now it's our turn to add those unique touches that make the app truly ours. So there you have it. If you've got more questions or want to see more content like this, let us know in the comments below. And before you go, please hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.